The role of social media in modern marketing. In the digital age, social media has become an integral part of modern marketing strategies. With billions of users around the world, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram offer businesses of all sizes the opportunity to reach and engage with customers in a way that was previously unimaginable. But social media marketing is about more than just posting updates and hoping for the best. To be effective, it requires a well-thought-out plan and a deep understanding of the platform and its users. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the role of social media in modern marketing and provide some tips for maximizing its potential. Why social media matters for marketing. There are several reasons why social media is such an important tool for marketing. First and foremost, it allows businesses to reach a large and highly targeted audience. With billions of users on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, there's a good chance that your ideal customers are already active on social media. This makes it easier to get your message in front of the right people at the right time. In addition to reaching a large audience, social media also allows businesses to engage with customers in a more personal and authentic way. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, which can feel impersonal and interruptive, social media allows companies to connect with customers on a more human level. This can be especially valuable for building brand loyalty and customer retention. Finally, social media is an important source of data and insights for businesses. By analyzing the way customers interact with their content, businesses can gain a better understanding of what works and what doesn't, and adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. Creating a social media marketing strategy. To get the most out of social media marketing, it's important to have a well-defined strategy in place. This should include goals, target audience, content plan, and measurement and evaluation. The first step in creating a social media marketing strategy is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve through your social media efforts? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, increase brand awareness, or generate leads? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can begin to develop a plan to achieve them. Next, you'll need to identify your target audience. Who are the people you want to reach with your social media efforts? Understanding the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them and drives engagement. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience, it's time to develop a content plan. This should include a mix of promotional and non-promotional content, as well as a plan for how often you'll post updates. It's important to strike a balance between promoting your products or services and providing value to your followers. Finally, you'll need to establish a system for measuring and evaluating the success of your social media efforts. This may include tracking metrics such as likes, comments, and shares, as well as more complex data such as conversions and customer lifetime value. Maximizing the potential of social media marketing. To get the most out of social media marketing, it's important to understand the unique characteristics and best practices of each platform. Here are a few tips for maximizing the potential of some of the most popular social media platforms. Facebook, with over 2.7 billion monthly active users, Facebook is the largest social media platform in the world. To get the most out of Facebook marketing, it's important to create a business page and post updates regularly. You should also consider using Facebook ads to reach a wider audience and track the success of your campaigns using the platform's built-in analytics tools.